So, what exactly is Azure File Share? It's a service in Microsoft Azure that lets us store and share files safely in the cloud, just like having a shared folder that's always online and accessible from anywhere. With Azure File Share, you can easily upload your files to the cloud, like moving your data from your computer into a shared online folder. Once your files are in Azure File Share, you can access them from anywhere your laptop, virtual machine, or even your office system. No matter where you are, your files stay synced and ready. That's how Azure File Share keeps your data connected, simple, secure, and accessible from anywhere. Let's dive deeper and see how it actually works. And now let's open the Microsoft Azure portal, the application which I have downloaded in my laptop. Yes. So guys, it comes under storage account. So just go for your global search, type storage accounts, enter storage accounts. And here in the storage accounts, you need to create your storage account, right? So for this, as of now, we don't have any resource group. This is the by default, which is there. You do not select this. Go with the create new. So just keep it as WebRG or anything you could give, and your storage account name is the something that should be meaningful. This is my area, so it's already taken. So give some number. Fine. This okay. This still taken. Fine. Let me give it as 116. Fine. Now this one just keep it as it is. This should be your LRS. I'll explain this to you later what this exactly means. Click on this. Next, next, next. Yes. Click on create. Let me zoom it out. Sorry, zoom it in. It's not coming. The deployment is in progress. You can see here. It will take a while. And your deployment is complete. Click on go to resource. And your storage account is created now. So here on the left hand side, you can see here on the left hamburger, you can see file shares. Click on this. Click on your file share, and you can give it as anything. File, I have given it as file. So you can see the capacity you're getting, the drive capacity you're going to get. Next is backup. Guys, make sure you click on this. You do not enable the backup, just disable the tick mark you have there. Make sure you do it. Next is your review and create. And now your drive is successfully created. After this, you can see here. So just click on connect. And here, this is the letter, your drive letter. You can see in your PC you have C drive, D drive. So the same way you have these many letters. And if you are choosing the same letter that you already have, suppose you have a L drive in your local storage, that is your local computer, do not select it. It will give you an error. Go for the letter which you don't have. So I'm taking, let it keep it as Z only. So now click on show script. You can see the script here, right? So just copy this script, go to your Windows PowerShell, not the Windows command, that will be your PowerShell, and make sure you open it in the administrator. You open it as administrator, what you can see here. Let me type it once more. See, run as administrator. Click on that. Yes. In the script which you have copied, just copy and paste it here, which you have copied here, copy, paste, enter. Just it will take a while. You can see here the process is going on. Just minimize it, again open it, and then do the same thing for 2 to 3 times. You will get this. See, you can see credential added successfully. Now just enter or minimize, then again maximize. Just a second, you will get here. Yes. So now do one thing, go to your file explorer, your local file explorer. Yes, on the left hand side you can see in this PC, I guess it's not mounted, but it shows that it's already mounted. So guys, in this case, if it's not directly, actually it has to come directly here, but now it's not coming. So for this, what you can do is you have another way. So you can see here root. Okay, do not copy this double quotes, just copy where it starts from the slash, front slash, and then copy this, Control C, copy. Okay, just right click on this PC, you have map network drive, click, enter, I mean paste the link which you have copied. Now just click finish. Just a while it will open. Yeah, you can see the new drive has been mounted on your PC. So you can go in this PC and check. You can see here file, the Z, okay, which I have created. This was the name of my storage account. Sorry, this was the name of the file shares which I have given. This was the storage account name. This is my storage account name, and you can see the file here. As we are using the file service, so it will give us file. If you are using somewhere blob, so you can see the URL, it's blob dot something like that. So this is the thing you will get here. So this is your drive, just like you have your other drives. Open it, you can see my C drive, this is my Z drive, and here you can paste anything, you can copy and paste any files, guys. So see, this is my gallery. I copy here, you can see here. Yeah, I just go into this, just which I have copied, I'm pasting it here, right? Okay, just Control V. You can see it's copying. Copy is done. It's pasting here. Just paste it. It takes time, guys, because it's uploading in the cloud. So that is the thing, it's taking the time here. My one file is already uploaded here, the other one is still pending. Let's cancel it for now, because we have something. Okay, I think it got the first file to be cancelled. Okay, fine. So you can see here, right? The CC thumb is what the file I have uploaded. Just go to your file shares, exit this, and when you go here, sorry, so you can see here in in this you have browse. Click on that, and in browse you can see the CC thumb file which I have uploaded, which I uploaded in my drive. So this is visible here. So whatever you upload here will be visible there, whatever you upload here will be visible here. And once you delete your file here, once if I delete this, see, suppose I'm deleting it now, it takes time to delete. As you can see, it's deleted. Now go to your portal, but still you can see it here, right? No, you can't see, because you deleted here, and the same thing reflected here, it gets deleted. Suppose you are uploading your file in the file share from, I mean in the cloud, right? So you're browsing here, you're going to any of the image you want to upload. I will upload this, so it's yeah, upload it here. Now I showed you, if you upload here you can see here. Now I have uploaded here, and you can see here, refresh it, you can see here. Yes, and now go here, see, you can see, right? Now try to delete this. Try to delete this file. Click on yes. And here once I deleted, and when you go to Azure, it got deleted. So it reflects, guys. If you delete it here, it will get deleted here, and vice versa. So this is how you do it. Now see guys, if you share these files, I mean the credentials you can see in this PowerShell, whatever we have in the script, if you share, you can see you have user, this is your username, this is your password, and this is your root directory path. So if you share this with any other person and ask them to mount a drive on the Explorer, they can do it, guys. They can do it. And once they do it, they can also upload their files. They can read it, they can delete it, and they can perform any option and any of the operations there. They can read, they can write, they can upload, they can do, I mean, they can delete it. This is the power of this. So most of the companies in, I mean, in the corporate systems, we use this, where they share a common folder where they upload everything. Guys, you are at the main interface now. So how to delete it, you just go into this. You can see here how to delete it. You just click on this. But guys, make sure before doing this, you go into your file explorer and disconnect the what you call the drive you mounted on this before. I have already deleted it, so it's not showing for me. But how you delete it, just right click on this, I mean the whatever the drive you have, right click on disconnect. You have one option here called as disconnect. You just have to disconnect it, guys. For me it's not showing right now, but you have here one option you will get when you will click on that particular file. Just click and disconnect. Then after it gets disconnected, come to your uh, cloud, I mean come to your Azure, and then you can delete it here. But make sure to do it, else your account gets freezed, guys. Again it will be a very it will be very hard to get your PC back. So make sure to do it. It's very serious actually. You should make sure that you delete it. Okay, delete and disconnect it. So enter here your storage account name. I think there is a problem here. So let me click on file. It's not coming. Okay, yes, just click. It takes a time. I mean, yeah, now successfully, yeah, account is deleted. Refresh it. You won't see here. Okay, it's, I guess it's still, you just keep on refreshing it. Yeah, you can see it's not there now. When you go to your home, you don't see any of the storage. Just make sure once you cross check in your resource groups before ending it, guys, it's very important you ensure that you have not deleted all your, see the resource group is still not deleted. So you can click on here, and is you have, see, there's nothing in this. If there's nothing in this in your resource group, it will not charge you. But anyways, make sure to delete it. So enter your resource group name and delete it. That's it. And if you liked my video, guys, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.